Assalamu alaikum students. So now we are going to discuss the equations of motions. First equation of motion we have discussed in the last lecture, and according to that I'm just reviewing the first equation of motion. That suppose a body or a car is moving with the initial velocity vi, and after some time t it covers a distance s, and then it will accelerate, and the final velocity of that car will become vf, final velocity. Okay, so vi is the initial velocity, vf is the final velocity, t is the time given in seconds, and a is acceleration, and s is the distance covered. So according to first equation of motion, we have discussed that a is equal to vf minus vi upon t. According to the definition of acceleration, we studied that the change in velocity per unit time is called acceleration. You can also write it like that, delta v upon t. Delta shows the change over here. Then change in velocity per unit time is known as acceleration. Now we will move the t with a by multiplying. Here यहाँ पे divide हो रहा है, उधर जाके multiply होगा. at is equal to vf minus vi, and as we want this vf, so we move this minus vi there, so it will become at plus vf is equal to vf. In other words, we can write here and on the other way, vf is equal to vi plus at. This is the first equation of motion, and I'm reviewing for those who were not present at that lecture. Now the second equation of motion is s is equal to vit plus half at square. Again, for the second equation of motion, s is equal to vit plus half at square. S is the distance covered by a body, vi is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration produced, and t is the time given in seconds. So here we are not discussing vf, final velocity, we are only discussing the initial velocity. According to the second equation of motion, first of all, we are going to mention the average velocity. What is the average velocity? As we have discussed earlier, that final plus initial velocity divided by 2 number of velocities, final plus initial velocity divided by 2 is the average velocity, the average of all the velocities. These two velocities, there are 2 points. First is initial point, and next one is final point. So the velocity at the initial point is known as initial velocity, and the velocity at the final point is known as final velocity. And when we add these velocity and divided by 2, we got average velocity. V average is equal to vf plus vi upon 2. V average is equal to vf plus vi upon 2. ये छोटा सा आप a v average के लिए शो कर रहे हैं. And the distance covered by the body is s is equal to vt. We have discussed this कि the distance क्या होता है. It is the product of velocity and time. Here s is equal to vt. Generally it's s is equal to vt, but here we are using average velocity, so we are writing here v average multiplied by t. This equation will become our equation number 1. Now by substituting the value of v average in equation number 1, by putting the value of v average in equation number 1, this is our equation number 1. Okay, so by putting the value of v average, we can write vf plus vi upon 2 instead of this v average, because both are same. So by putting the value of v average, s is equal to vf plus vi upon 2 instead of this v average, multiply by t. Okay, now we are saying that this equation will become equation number 2. Now as we know that according to first equation of motion, we have vf is equal to vi plus at. We have derived it and reviewed it today again. Vf is equal to vi plus at. So now by putting the value of vf in equation number 2, here we have vf, and the value of vf is vi plus at. So instead of this vf, we can write vi plus at. So by putting the values of vf from here in equation number 3, here s is equal to vi plus at, ये हमने किसकी जगह लिखा, इस vf की जगह, प्लस vi, या आगे प्लस vi लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, उसके बाद डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हमने यहाँ से किया, vf प्लस at प्लस vi मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी। ठीक है, ये वी एफ प्लस वी आई प्लस ए टी, तो ये इसकी वैल्यू हो गई वी एफ की। एवरेज वेलोसिटी की थी हमारे पास वी एफ प्लस वी आई प्लस ए टी, वो हमने अपॉन 2 बचा वो लिख दिया, मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी एंड बाय कैलकुलेटिंग इट एस इज इक्वल टू वी आई एंड वी आई। यहाँ पर भी क्या है, वी आई, ये जो आपके छोटा सा नज़र आ रहा है यहाँ पे, ये वी आई है, मैं ऊपर और क्लियर करके लिख दूँ। ठीक है, सो ये प्लस का वी आई है, तो वी आई एंड वी आई आर 2vi प्लस 80 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी। अब आपको पता है कि ये वाला 2 जो डिवाइड हो रहा है ये 2vi के साथ भी है और ये 80 के साथ भी है, तो हमने उसको इस तरह से लिख दिया है 2vi अपॉन 2 प्लस 80 अपॉन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी। ये मेथड आपको पता है, 2 से 2 को कैंसिल किया तो मेरे पास बचा वी आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी, वी आई टी प्लस ए टी मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी, ए टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2। ठीक है, एस इज इक्वल टू वी आई टी प्लस ए टी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, और वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस, एस इज इक्वल टू वी आई टी प्लस हाफ 1/2 अलग कर लिया और ए टी स्क्वायर हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर। सो हेयर इज द डिजायर्ड इक्वेशन, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 of motion, s is equal to vit plus half at square. Now we are moving towards this third equation of motion.